Ruhonge rwa kuhurana na ndawa cia kurebia na njohi ngananie Nacada unyitaniri-ini na Ministry ya Ugitiri wa Thiini hamwe na anyiti itemi matiganite ni ruruguririe riboti yayo igie huthiri mweru wa uthondeki wa ndawa cia kurebia iria irathondekerwo thiini wa rabu cia thiri guku bururi-ini. Kurumirira uthuthuria wa mwanya uri utabaneirio MAAI ma GIKO niguo kumenya ithimi cia ndawa cia kurebia wonanitie ati gatagati ka ithimi 152 iria ithurimitwo ceceni-ini cia uthuthuria ni thirikari thiini wa kaunti 12 ithimi 104 ciari na ndawa cia kurebia. Kaunti iria itabaneirio thuthuria wa ndawa cia kurebia MAAI-INI ma GIKO MICII-INI, MATHUKURU-INI, MATHIBITARI-INI na NJERA-INI ni hamwe na Nairobi, Nakuru, Kiambu, Nyeri, Mombasa, Kilifi, Kwale, Busia, Uasin Gishu, Kisumu, Garissa na Isiolo.
The landscape of drug and substance abuse is constantly evolving. Our response must be equally proactive, informed and collaborative. This report is a powerful demonstration of what is achievable when science, policy and partnership converge in service of public good.
Akiaria hindi ya uruguri uyu Minister wa Ugitiri wa Thiini Kipchumba Murkomen ni ugite uhuthiri wa ndawa iria irathondekerwo thiini wa rabu ni ciongererekete na gicunji kia 300% gitaro-ini kia Afrika ya irathiro.
Drug markets are becoming increasingly complex, driven by synthetic substance, digital distribution networks, including the dark web and encrypted messaging applications.
Murkomen ugite athondeki ya ndawa ici ni magarureire kuma uhuthiri-ini wa ndawa cia kurebia ta cocaine na heroin na guthondeka ndawa iria ikurikanite ta synthetic iria irathondekerwo rabu-ini ikihuthira mithemba ya gutukania ndawa cia kurigita mirimu itiganite.
What makes this report particularly significant is that for the first time in Kenya and indeed in East Africa region, we now have scientific population level evidence of drug consumption patterns derived from wastewater-based epidemiology.
Murkomen yahinyiriirie wirutiri munene wa thirikari wa kuhitana na uthondeki na thuguri ya ndawa ici kurumirira riathani ria mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto, akiuga ministry yake unyitaniri-ini na honge itiganite ta university na colleges hamwe na anyiti itemi ni mekuhukia ciiko ici kaimana guku bururi-ini.
We will strengthen the capacity of the government chemist by investing in advanced analytical technologies to improve the detection and emerging substance and novel psychoactive compounds.
Murkomen ugite maabitha borithi hamwe na a uthuthuria ni mekunina rabu iria irathondeka ndawa ici guku bururi-ini niguo kuhonokia muingi uri ugwati-ini wa kugumirwo ni mathina ma mwiri maria maumanaga na uhuthiri wa ndawa ici.
Emerging patterns of polydrug use, the intentional or unintentional mixing of multiple substances and the presence of a harmful adulterants. Substances such as ketamine and diazepam have been detected mixed with heroin and cocaine, significantly increasing the risk of overdose, long-term health complications, organ failure and in some cases death.
Handu-ini ha KUMA TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.